Hello, good evening. Today I'm going to be solving week 4 do your own videos, lesson 8, 9, and 10. And I'm going to start off with question 8 of lesson 8. So here we start off with equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x equals x squared plus 2 times x plus 1 at point 1, 6. So first we must simplify this slope equation here. So if we simplify this, we know x squared plus x is, or x squared times x is x cubed, and then x squared times x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times plus 2. Now we must find the derivative to this equation, so we can go ahead and do that. The derivative of x cubed. So now we can go ahead and find the derivative of this equation. So 3x squared plus 2x plus 2. The way I like to think about it is you take the exponent, you multiply it by the variable, and then you take away 1 from the exponent. Then we go ahead and plug in our 1. And finally we find out that the slope is equal to 7. So now we plug it in here to this equation. Y equals y(o) plus mx minus x. This is the equation to find our tangent line. So now we go ahead and plug it in. Y equals 6 plus 7x minus 1. Do distributive property here. 6 plus 7x minus 7. Combine like terms. We're left with y equals 7x minus 1. And that is the solution for this problem. Okay, so similar to the problem that I just did, first we must find the derivative over the derivative of x. In this case, it would equal the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of 1 is 0. So 1 and then the numerator times the numerator over the derivative of x plus 1. Okay, now we go down, simplify this. Let's see. So if we go ahead and simplify this, we're left over with 2x plus 1 over 2. And we can go ahead and plug our x in from the point that it gave us. This would equal 2 plus 1, 2, which would also equal 2/9. So that is our slope. So now we plug it into the equation that I just used in the last problem, which is y equals y(o) plus f prime of xo over x minus xo. Plug in our numbers, 1/3 plus 2/9. We've got the 1/3 from the y here in our ordered pair, plus 2/9 over, multiplied by x minus 2. Let's do the math here. 1/3 plus 2/9 times x, which is 2/9 x. 2 times 2 is 4, so minus 4/9. And then we gotta convert this into a 9, so times 3 times 3. So 3 over 9 plus 2/9 x minus 4/9. 3/9 minus 4/9. We're left with 2/9 x minus 1 over 9 equals our equation of the tangent line. Okay, here's my understanding of lesson 10 problem 4. I couldn't seem to find the video on your YouTube channel, but I did some researching myself, and here's what I came to. So to find the derivative of f of x equals 5 tan 3x, first we have to understand that the chain rule is a formula for calculating the derivative of a composite function. So we know that this equation is composite because 3x is the inner function and 5 tan is the outer function. So the derivative of tan u is secant squared. So we can go ahead and put that here. And now we have to find the derivative of the inner function, 3x, and that would be 3. So now we multiply 5 secant squared times 3x times 3, because the chain rule equation is h g x times g x. And then if we simplify this equation here, we would get 15 secant squared 3x. And so that's our solution. The derivative of f of x equals 5 tan 3x is equal to 15 secant squared times 3x.